In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the Windows 11 translucent theme and transform your computer. So let's get started. Okay, as you can see, this is how my desktop currently looks like. My file explorer looks like this. It doesn't have any cool translucent theme. It just looks boring and default. If I open up my notification panel, as you can see, it has the boring white color, and the same thing with my taskbar. Okay, first of all, go ahead and click on the link in the description that will open up this PDF file right here, which is the translucent theme by SahimTech. It'll open up this PDF file with 4 different links. This will contain all the links to all the software and files that we'll be needing for this video. Okay, so first of all, go ahead and click on Windhawk, which is the first software that we'll be installing today. As soon as the site opens up, go ahead and click on the download button, and then wait for it to download onto your computer. Okay, as you can see, it has downloaded onto my computer. Now go ahead and open up the folder where it has downloaded. It has downloaded on my downloads folder, and over here just go ahead and double click on it. Select a language. I'm going to select English, click on OK, and then select the first option that says standard installation, and then click on next. Now as you can see, we have this window over here. It says to choose components. Go ahead and check all of the boxes, or if you don't want them, you can just uncheck them, and then click on next. Install. Now once it has done installing, go ahead and click on finish. After that, go ahead and click on the search bar and then type in Windhawk. Open up the application. Once it has loaded onto your computer, go ahead and click on explore other mods. Now as you can see, we have a bunch of different mods to choose from. Go ahead and look for Windows 11 Start Menu Styler, which is this one over here. Go ahead and click on details, and then over here go ahead and click on install. It's going to give you a warning to proceed with care, but don't worry, there's not going to be any problems. You can just go ahead and directly click on accept risk and install. After that, just go ahead and wait for it to completely install onto your computer. Now once it's done installing, that window is going to disappear. After that, go ahead and click on advanced. And as you can see, we have the option to change the mod settings. Now I want you to go back to the PDF that I told you to download before, which is this one over here, and go ahead and click on start menu code. Now as soon as you click on it, it's going to open up this start menu code file over here, which is a text file. By the way, this was originally published by the YouTube channel called Vinstar. Now here I want you to go ahead and download this text file onto your computer. Now once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up the folder where it has downloaded, and then open it up. Now as you can see, we have a bunch of code over here. Go ahead and hit Ctrl A on your keyboard, and then right click and click on copy. Back on the Windhawk software, go ahead and paste it over here. Make sure to delete whatever is existing already on there, and then just right click and hit paste. As you can see, we've pasted all of the code over here. After that, go ahead and hit save. Once you're done with that, if you open up your start menu, as you can see, your start menu has completely changed its look. If you minimize everything, as you can see, if I open up the start menu, it's got this new translucent effect, and the complete design has changed, and it looks a lot better than the previous old one. If I click on this button, as you can see, we have a whole different UI over here. Now before we proceed, go ahead and right click on your computer, click on personalize, and if your computer is not already set to dark mode, go ahead and click on colors, and then under choose your mode, select dark. Now once you set this, as you can see, all the text has changed to a white color, and if I open up a start menu, as you can see the text more clearly now, because when you set a translucent theme, the dark mode will make the text pop better, so you can actually clearly see it. Now once you're done with that, go back to the software, scroll all the way up and click on the back arrow. And then on this page, go ahead and look for Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. It's over here, as you can see. Click on details once again, and then click on install. Again, we have the same warning as before, just click on accept risk and install. As soon as it's done installing, go ahead and click on settings, and under this drop down menu under theme, select it and then change it to translucent taskbar. As soon as you click on that, click on save settings, and as you can see, your taskbar has this new translucent effect, which looks pretty cool. Once again, click on the back arrow and then look for Windows 11 Notification Center Styler. As you can see, it's my 4th one over here. Again, click on details and then once again click on install. Now once it's done installing, go ahead and click on settings once again, and under the drop down menu choose translucent shell. Click on save settings once again. If I minimize this window and open up my notification panel, as you can see, the same translucent effect has applied to this notification panel and my taskbar and my start menu. Now we're only halfway done here because we still have a lot more to do. So after you've done with all of that, right click on your desktop and then click on view, and then uncheck the option that says show desktop icons. Now if your desktop icons are important for you, one thing you can do, you can right click on your desktop, click on new, and then create a new folder. You can name this as desktop. Now select everything on your desktop by hitting Ctrl A, hold the Ctrl key, and unselect the recycle bin and your desktop folder that you just created, and then right click on any of the other files, and then click on cut. Open up the desktop folder once again and hit Ctrl V. It's gonna paste everything on your desktop to that new folder so that you don't have to like permanently hide it. You can just open up the desktop folder to access whatever was previously on your desktop. If you have a message like this, just go ahead and check this box and hit continue. And as you can see, now desktop looks a lot cleaner and we just have one small folder. You can place it over here. Now as you can see, we still have our recycle bin icon over here, but we can't really delete it from our desktop, so we're just going to leave it on the top left corner over here along with our desktop folder. Now you go back to the PDF and click on the link that says wallpaper, and as soon as you click on that, it's going to open up this Unsplash website over here, and we have this wallpaper that we're going to be using. Go ahead and click on download free on the top right. And then once it's done downloading, open up the folder where it downloaded, right click on it, and then click on set as desktop background. Now as you can see, the wallpaper has made it look a lot better than the previous default one, and the translucent theme also really works together to make it look a lot better than before. If I open up my notification panel, as you can see, it has that cool effect. Now there's still one more thing left to do, which is to change the theme of our file explorer. As you can see, our file explorer still has the default black theme, which doesn't really look cool. So once again, open up the same PDF file and then click on Explorer Blue Mica. Once you click on it, it's going to open up this GitHub page over here, and this purple link is going to be highlighted as soon as you click on the link. Go ahead and click on release, and it's going to download onto your computer. Go ahead and click on the file icon over here, and it's going to open up this compressed zip file. Go ahead and right click on it and then click on extract all, and then extract. Once it's done extracting, go ahead and close the window that pops up, and then this is the folder that we just extracted. As you can see, go ahead and right click on it and hit cut, and then click on this PC on the left side, open up the local disk folder, and over here click on program files, right click over here and click on paste to paste the folder that we just cut. Click on continue if this message pops up. As soon as you've pasted it, open up the folder, open up the release folder, and we have this file over here. As you can see, click on this button that says rename. If you can't see it, just right click on your file, click on show more options, and then click on rename, and go ahead and only select the name of the file and not the extension. Make sure you don't select the dot or the DLL. Right click and hit copy. Go back to program files from the top and then right click on the file, show more options, rename, and then right click and paste the text that you just copied, and then hit enter. It's going to give you this message once again. Click on continue. And now once you're done with that, open up the folder once again, click on release, and then as you can see, we have this register file over here. Right click on it and then click on run as administrator. Now if this message pops up, don't worry, just click on more info and then run anyway. Now as you can see, you're going to get this message that says something was succeeded. Just click on OK once again. Just wait for 5 seconds and it's going to disappear automatically. Now if I minimize, as you can see, everything has gone blank, but that's completely normal because currently your file explorer is restarting. Just wait for it to do its thing. Wait, why hasn't it done anything? Oh shit. Why is it still black? Just in case your computer doesn't go back to normal and if it stays black, go ahead and hit Ctrl, Shift and Escape. And then once Task Manager opens up, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find File Explorer. Wait, what? I don't have File Explorer. What? How is that possible? And over here, go ahead and hit Run New Task. In this text box, go ahead and type in explorer.exe and then hit OK. It's gonna run explorer.exe once again, and everything should go back to normal. Now if I close that window, and as you can see, if I open up my file explorer now, the translucent theme has applied to our file explorer window as well, which looks pretty cool. As you can see, it looks pretty cool. We have that transparent effect. And now if I open up a notification panel, as you can see, the same translucent effect has applied, and the same applies to my start menu as well. And as you can see, we've successfully applied the translucent theme onto our file explorer, our notification panel, and to our taskbar and start menu, which makes it look a lot better. Now there's one more thing you can do. As you can see, my taskbar looks hella cluttered. So one thing you can do is just right click on it, click on taskbar settings, and we're gonna go ahead and remove this ugly search bar and convert it into just an icon. So over here, click on the search box drop down menu and select search icon only. And if you have any apps that you don't use, you can just right click on the app and click on unpin from taskbar to remove it. So I'm going to remove some of them because I don't use these normally, so I'm going to unpin all of them. And then on the same settings window, as you can see, we have these default system tray icons. I'm going to go ahead and toggle them all off because I don't want them to clutter my desktop because I don't use them. And we have another drop down menu which says other system tray icons. Click on that as well, and then uncheck all of these if you don't want them. But if you do want them, you can just keep them toggled on, but make sure this one is toggled on so that you have this little icon over here, and then you can just drag all the other system icons onto the arrow so that all of them are stored inside the arrow. So once you click on it, you can just access them directly from the arrow instead of them cluttering the entire taskbar. So that's a pretty cool thing that you can do. And now on the left side, as you can see, we have this ugly looking widget tile over here. You can disable that as well by scrolling all the way up, and then over here, as you can see, we have widgets. Go ahead and toggle that off as well. And if you don't use the task view button, you can toggle that off as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We've successfully applied the translucent theme to our computer, as you can see. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give this video a like and share with a friend. And if you have any questions, make sure to put them down in the comment section below. And that's pretty much it. See you later. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.